Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to put wallpaper from Pinterest. So guys, this process that I'm gonna show you will work either iOS or Android. So guys, currently I'm using Android, and from here guys, this will be their homepage, and down below you can also use the search feature that they have if you are finding a certain picture. And guys, for this video, I'm gonna choose this picture. So from here, guys, you can either click save down below. As you can see, it is being highlighted. And you can also click the three dots at the top. And from here, you can download the image. And after that, guys, just go to your gallery. And once you are in your gallery, you are going to pick the picture that you just downloaded, and from here click the three dots at the top again, and you can select set as wallpaper, and from here you will have three options: home screen, lock screen, or both at the same time. And there you go guys, that's how to put wallpaper from Pinterest. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.